It's the Weather Xtreme video, the afternoon edition for Monday, August 10th. I'm James Spann. A surface front on the way. Notice we don't call them cold fronts this time of the year, but that will bring a chance of a few storms tonight and tomorrow morning. Let's check things out today. There's the water vapor satellite view of the core of the heat ridge west of the state. We are on the eastern flank of that. We've had some strong storms over parts of north and northeast Alabama today. That was the radar at 2:40. Big storms passing through the eastern part of the Gadsden Metro, up right across Weiss Lake, up toward Galesville. Those will exit the state by the time you watch this probably, but more could form tonight into tomorrow morning. And look at those numbers in northeast Alabama. Fort Payne only 72, Gadsden at 75. Of course, that's because of the storms. And otherwise, the number's really not that bad. It's 90 in Birmingham, which is a tad below average for mid-August. Anniston 93, Tuscaloosa 95. Good news, humidity levels come way down by Wednesday. The dew points will be much lower by then. Technically, we still have parts of the state with a heat advisory, the more oppressive heat west of the state. The counties in purple, that is an excessive heat warning for parts of Louisiana, Mississippi, and southeast Arkansas. Dew points are brutally high over there. A marginal risk of severe weather for parts of east and central Alabama for the rest of today and tonight. And then tomorrow, the marginal risk over the southern half of the state as the surface boundary keeps on working its way down to the south. And by day 3, which is Wednesday, we are in very dry air, and it will feel much better. Rain for the next 5 days. Rain amounts about 1/2 inch. This is valid through Saturday morning. And again, after about midday tomorrow, will be dry for Thursday or Wednesday and Thursday. Tropics stay very quiet, at least in the Atlantic basin. Hey, model fans, here we go. The GFS, this is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock. 594 heat ring west of the state. Nice trough passing through the eastern U.S., and that'll push that surface boundary south. This is the HRRR at 4 a.m. Doesn't show a lot, but we could very well see some storms during the pre-dawn hours tomorrow morning, between midnight and 6 o'clock. So just be aware of some late-night thunder. And this is at 9 o'clock coming off the high-res NAM, and it's not showing a lot, but at that point the boundary should be working its way down toward Interstate 20. So we'll say a chance of a thunderstorm between now and midday tomorrow, but by tomorrow afternoon, the better chance of showers and storms shifting down into South Alabama as the front moves south, down below that 1,003 millibar low that's over the northern tip of New York. Wednesday, a drier air mass dropping in here. The high, well, let's see, GFS is showing 89. Maybe dew points dropping in the 50s. That'll feel good. And Thursday, we start the day down in the mid-60s. Some of the cooler pockets could be closer to 60. A little preview, a little hint of fall in the air early Thursday. Then during the day Thursday, the day should be very nice. Lots of sun. The humidity will stay low, and the high will be probably around 90. Friday, not much change. There might be enough moisture back for an afternoon storm in a few spots, but probably not many. And then for the weekend, this is Saturday, the 597 heat. That's pretty nasty looking over the Four Corners. Bet your Phoenix could see 110 on Saturday. But around here, you can see troughing, so heat levels not too bad. The high would be around 90. And there could be a storm in spots, pretty typical summer weather. Partly sunny, scattered afternoon storms. Same thing on Sunday. And again, the high would be close to 90. Monday of next week from today, August 17th. Interesting little upper low that's over New Orleans. And if that's the case, maybe a little unsettled on the Gulf Coast, but this is the first time we've seen that. That feature might disappear on future runs. We'll just keep a persistence forecast going for now. Here's the end of the forecast Thursday of next week, August 20th. And that looks like summer. The core jet stream is up on the Canadian border. We do note the heights are lower over Texas for maybe some heat relief there. And again, pretty typical summer weather. Next 15 days, highs mostly in the 90s, although Wednesday we might see upper 80s. And look at that, 62 Thursday morning. Wow. But again, mostly 90s, low and mid-90s, lows around 70. Anomalies, August 17th through August 23rd, showing above average, but probably not by much around here. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.